Hello again and welcome back. It has been far too long. Apologies for not getting a video up recently. It's been, I don't know how long, 5 weeks, maybe 6, I'm not sure. But all mostly down to the weather, tides, currents and so on and so forth. But anyway, we're here now, we're back out on the boat and hopefully we shall have a bit of action for you today. We've just got here, we've just anchored, got baits in the water, got set up and we are fishing. There are some fish marking on the sounder, but could just be tiny stuff, but fingers crossed we'll be in for some bigger stuff. Got a variety of baits out. We got ragworm, we got bluey, we got squid, we've got some mackerel that I think has been in the freezer since about 1978, so how good that's going to be, no idea. But anyway, we're going to get ourselves a cup of coffee, warm up a bit because it is cold. It is very cold today. Wind's very cold and yeah, just not used to it. Sitting in a nice warm lorry most of the day, most of the time, so just not used to this weather anymore. But anyway, we'll get ourselves some coffee, get warmed up. If any of the rods go off, I'll turn the camera straight back on. But in the meantime, sit tight and hopefully we'll see you very soon. Cheers. Oh, well, that didn't take too long. I think Ryan's got a bite. Very twitchy little one. So.
Yeah, it's been going for the last few minutes. It's not taking it.
So either something messing around with it or something so small that it's barely registering. But we shall see. Anyway, like I was saying, it's been far too long, but with work commitments and weather, not playing the game, and when we've both had available time and one thing or another, and this is the first time we've had, so glad to be back out. Just hope we catch something.
Yeah, it doesn't feel
No?
like it.
Yeah, that same rod's still going.
Still going, but I'll bring it in anyway.
Yeah, bring it in and have a look.
It's still going. I don't know, it might be a tiny little. It's almost like an eel, tiny little eel type.
Massive cargo ship's just gone past, so we've got a bit of a swell. Good old 3-in-1.
Bait's still on there.
Yeah, there's something nibbling. Yeah, apparently there's been a. Oh, we'll put that one there. There's a lot of whiting apparently, so it could be just tiny whiting nibbling away. Right, we've had a move. We've moved, I don't know, about half a mile I suppose. Because there was nothing happening there where we were. We stayed there for about an hour, literally nothing happening. So we've had a bit of a move. And Ryan's got a first proper bite of the day.
Playing with me. Messing me around.
Slow going, hard work today.
Yeah.
Not a lot of action at all, unfortunately. But can't catch anything if we're sat on the couch, so we're here. Right, well, he finally caught the culprit. His rod was nodding away for 10 minutes. Finally got to the bottom of it, and lo and behold, it's a dogfish. Wouldn't be a day out in the Solent without a dogfish. As annoying as they are, it beat the blank. So, at least that's one thing we can say.
Alright, little dogfish. First one of the day. And
Well, we haven't blanked. That's the main thing.
You're going as well. Hopefully, I've got everyone's line now. Guessing this is another dogfish. Oh, biting now. Putting heavy up. Got much heavier now. Oh, it's almost like it was swimming towards me.
Yeah, I think we've got it.
Oh, hang on, and I've got something else as well.
Oh, a little.
Is that a pouting? Or is it a whiting? I don't know. What is that? You know what that is?
Whatever it is.
You've just got two of them.
I've got one whiting and one.
No. Cute little thing. Now you can go straight back. Oh. And he's not gone back that one.
Just a little lot out.
And yeah, another dogfish. They're barely even on the hook. There you are, like you've got on me. Another dogfish.
Still in the water down there.
Well, with that small one, unfortunately, didn't make
There we
it.
go.
Should have kept it.
One tiny little whiting, I think. Is that a whiting? You can tell we're good at this, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know what mine was.
Yeah, fairly.
Is it
I'm fairly sure that's a whiting.
whiting, pouting, pollock? They all look the bloody same to me.
Right, that's gone. Is he going? Go on, go on, go on.
Yeah, he's
Yep,
gone.
He's gone.
My one didn't make it, unfortunately. It just floated away.
Right, this little fella's full of life. So that little chap. There we go. He's going to be a live bait. That's it. He got the booby prize, unfortunately.
Bloody dogfish got him off the hook, and he still had a mouthful of my bait.
Yeah, well,
I let him have it.
that one's just gone with the worm that he had, so it wasn't all for nothing. Oh, and I got a bite on the bluey. Right, so neither of us are blanked, so that's a good thing. I just hope they start getting a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's not what we came for. Still, better than nothing. Right, is he gonna? Actually, I don't think I'm gonna follow with live bait. Come on, perk up. As soon as he's lively enough, I'll put him back. If I put him back now, he'd just float away on the surface, and that'd be the end of it. He'd be gull food. But I'll let him see if he livens up, and I'll put him back. I was going to put a live bait out, but I don't think I can be bothered. Right, let's give him a bit more oxygen in there. I'll wait till he looks a bit perkier, then I'll put him back. In the meantime, let's get some more bait in the water. Stick you over there, buddy. Yeah, he looks like he's perking up a little bit. He was just laying flat on his side there for a minute, but he's upright again. I'm doing laps of that bucket, so looking promising. Oh. thank you incidentally to Cosham Angling for getting us out of the hole this morning. Tried everywhere trying to get some ragworm, fresh ragworm, and nobody had any. But phoned up Wayne at Cosham Angling yesterday. He said, give me a ring in the morning and I'll let you know. And I rang him just after 8 o'clock this morning, and yep, come and get it, we got some. So thank you very much. Cheers, Wayne. Fish are fish. At least we're catching something. Cold's going to my brain, I think. Let's get this back out. Over there. Shows you how small they were. I didn't even have to tighten up my drag to bring them in. Right, so that's that. Right, let's see if this little fella's going to go back. He looks lively enough now. Right, come on, little geezer. There we go, little fella. He's perked up a good bit. So yeah, off he goes. Happy with that. I don't like killing fish unnecessarily. Way too small to keep, and like I say, I was going to toy with the idea of a live bait, but with those big eyes he looked at me, I was like, no, I can't do it. Right, something else now as well. Feels like a dogfish, and it's a dogfish. Don't really want the hook in my hand. Thank you. Right. There we go. Oh, bloody hell. Where'd it come from? We properly swung round about 90 degrees in the last 3 minutes. There we go. Dogfish. Funny how they close their eyes, isn't it? Yeah. Right. Go and bother someone else. Right, let's try and sort this mess out. This feels like a better fish, better size. I don't know what it is though. Another doggy. Mate, little dog, dog. Back round again. Oh, and embarrassingly, we had to Google what those little fish were, and found out that they were pout. Yeah. So neither of us had caught them before, so we weren't sure. But yeah, pout. Yeah, I'm on your way. Well, I just want to get that over there, then I can get a cast on. I'm bothered freshening that bait up. Good. these conditions are doing really odd things.
Yeah.
Because we're sideways onto our anchor now. Sorry. Say hi. Oh, shut up. Turn that down. Put that over there. Quite funny. Well, it was funny and annoying in equal measure. On the way out here this morning, put the radio on and we just could hear someone.
Your rod, one here's going.
Someone obviously in a sieve or something.
Yeah. He must have had his button pressed on his radio or something, so that's all you could hear was the outboard motor. For ages.
Non-stop. Yeah, the radio was going and all it was somebody's outboard that we could hear. So if it was you and you've got a clip-on handheld, make sure you're not pressing the button when you're operating your tiller. That's over there. It's on the bottom. Drag set. Yeah, it's currents all over the place at the minute. So wind against tide now. So we'll give this another 20 minutes, half hour, and if we haven't caught anything worth keeping or worth catching, should I say, we'll go somewhere else.
Yeah. Warren's just had a mammoth bite.
That's something a bit more lively.
A bit more lively on his bigger bait as well. So.
Yeah, it feels very big. Don't feel very heavy at all.
Is it on? Still on there?
Oh, that's weird.
Where's it gone? Dropped off. So that was, well, it was on there.
Yep. Ah, missed it. That was
So
something.
it was on.
It was
Obviously
on.
just come off the hook.
Yeah. That's a bait. I literally just put that out less than 5 minutes ago. So
And that was, the rod went bang, bang,
that was,
right over.
that was the best bite of the day so far. Ah, I can't believe it.
What's the bait like? Oh, that's all.
Yeah, past its best. So,
Let's stick it off for that.
no idea. But yeah, he was going for it. Right. Try again. They're sharp. Right, Ryan is into something finally that looks like it might be half decent.
Oh man, no. I hope it's swimming towards us. Otherwise that's us off. Right, still there.
Still there.
That was on a full squid.
Whole squid.
Right, what we got here? An eel.
Eel. I have a sneak suspicion that's what I've just lost was a conger. Wiggle its way off. So, see that. Yeah, bring it up to it.
Yeah, it was on. Full squid.
There you go, strap eel.
Strap. LT bar on there. Oh, get off. Get off.
There we go. Now, a sneak suspicion that's what just took my bait and then wriggled its way off. It was that kind of bite. But,
He was kind enough to leave me with my squid.
well, it's better than a dogfish anyway. Right.
Don't know how heavy that would have been. £4.
Yeah, maybe something like that. Dog to tell.
It's not the best eel I've had.
No. Better than Dogfish and Pout. So, on to the next one.
Probably another dogfish. I'm guessing. Seems a bit more lively than dogfish. Oh no. What's that? Is that whiting?
Yep. Not bad whiting, to be fair.
Not bad, yeah. Nice. Proper swallowed the hook.
Right. Not very hardy, so.
What's the landing size for a whiting?
Let's have a little look.
Let's see if we can get this. Let's have a look at it. Wait.
27 centimetres. Minimum landing size. I'd say that's longer than that.
And that is
That's well
38.
above 38.
That just over.
Yeah, so it's well above minimum landing size.
Where's that bucket? Has it still got water in it?
No. Yeah, I'd say that fish is probably toast.
I think it is. We're going to give it a little.
You get a couple of fillets off it.
Yeah.
There we go. First keeper of the day by the looks of things.
Yeah, he's done.
Yeah. Brown bread.
Yeah, the hook was right down in there.
Yeah, so 38 centimetre whiting. So there we go. At least Ryan's got something for dinner.
Orange into something.
Feels very eerily. Biggest fish of the day, whatever it is. It does feel like an eel.
And it's an eel. What was that on? What bait?
It's on the bluey and squid.
Bluey and squid.
But if you stand still long enough, I'll let you go. Oh, maybe not that simple. It's got a pennel in him as well. Right, that's a pennel out. Oh, marvellous. He just bit my hook off.
Is this serious? He did as well.
Yeah. Right, oh, stick another one on.
I'm guessing another eel. I'm hoping it's not though.
Yeah. Strap eels and tiny whiting at the moment. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's strap eel.
Listen to it.
Thought that was going there for a minute as well. Wishful thinking, I think.
Get away from my line.
Right, so we've been here for a while now, and this is what we're getting. being plagued by miniature pout. So time to move mark number 3. See you in a bit. Right, so we're at a 3rd mark now. Hoping for something a bit better than tiny pouting, strap eels and dogfish. So we're quite shallow here, we're only in about 6 metres, just over 7 metres. So I want a smooth hound, that's what I want. So I've got a pretty decent sized bait out on a pennel, squid and bluey wrap. So I'm hoping I'm going to pick up a smooth hound with that. And just ragworm on the other one. Ryan's fishing whole squid and then ragworm with squid. They're just getting a little knock now, but
yeah, that's on the full squid, that one.
Full squid. Whoa. Right, Ryan's into something. Yet another dogfish. Yeah, I think it's getting close to the point where we're going to knock it on the end of the day. It's, as you've seen yourself, hasn't been particularly productive, unfortunately. And I'm starting to lose the light, and our auxiliary battery is just got a warning that's getting low, so we need a new one. Well, we've got a new one, we just don't fit it yet. But starter battery's fine, but the bit for the fish finder, one thing another, that's getting low. So not that there seems to be any fish to find at the moment. Oh, hello. Take it. Back out here. Come on. Please, just one decent fish. There's some on here as well. Well, that was a knock on there.
Another bloody dogfish.
Another dogfish. So 2 in a row. Yep, it's getting towards that time. And I expect that's what's knocking that as well. That's quite a big bait on there. Big wrap. So chances are it's a dogfish just ragging it. So, right.
I think that is.
Are you keeping that rod in?
I'm kept both of them in, really, if we're going to head into the harbour.
Right, okay, well that settles it. So, yeah, it's
one
just
little whiting?
little whiting,
2 dogfish.
2 dogfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, my imagination. Yeah, so that pretty much settles it. We're going to knock it on the head for the day, head back into the harbour. If anything happens, if we catch anything half decent in there, obviously we'll show you, but otherwise thanks for watching. Sorry again that it's been so long since the last video. Sorry that it hasn't been particularly productive, but we are going to be out more often from now into the new year and beyond, so stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and like and share and all that kind of stuff, and then hopefully we'll see you very soon. Bye for now.
See ya.
Cheers.